I'm Yukti Vishwakarma. I'm from PGDM IB batch. Today I'm here with Miss Ankita Saraswat, who is our IB alumni. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome to the campus.
Thank you.
So my first question to you is, what inspired you to have a career in marketing and communication?
Okay, since the beginning when I realized what my aspirations were, I used to love to network with people, to know different ages of people and talk to them. So marketing was a natural go for me. So when I entered marketing, when I got in BIMTech and I understood what marketing actually is and what all exposure I'll get when I get into this branch, then I went for it.
And how does BIMTech education here help you in your career?
I think BIMTech is very hands-on approach. The scheduling that we do for every class, everything has to be minute-wise. You're very prompt on the feet, and you learn to work back to back. So it prepares you for your professional life. Because after you have done successfully BIMTech 2 years, I think professional life is a piece of cake. Scheduling part, not the problem solving part, that will come naturally with years, but the scheduling part is a piece of cake after that.
And what are the key responsibilities that you have at Spurs CCTV as a general manager and head of communication?
See, because I head the department, so everything, the complete ATL and BTL activities come under me. I take care of the social media part also. I have a team of 20 people. So they report to me regarding social media, regarding all the ATL activities, because when I entered the company, then only we went B2C. Before that, we were B2B and B2G. We were very big in those markets, but B2C, nobody knew us. Everybody knew our competitor brand rather than us. So we had to come with very new strategies and what brand ambassador to hire, what TVC to make. I was there from the initial stages in the strategic discussions of what ambassador to choose to what TVC should look like. So it was a very extensive experience that I have had here.
Now I'm talking about the strategies you mentioned. What are the challenges you faced in implementing these strategies?
See, for any organization, the marketing is always concerned about the budget. So budgeting part has to be equally good. So if you're entering a marketing field, it doesn't mean that you let go of your finance subject. You have to be very hands-on over there also, so that you know how to budget your expenses when you go to the marketing field. Because when you come to my position, after 12-13 years you come to this position, then it is very important to have allocate budgets. You know where to withdraw, where to put the more budgets. You will get a specific thing from the management, but they will not tell you the structure. So that you have to come up with.
So what are the emerging trends in the industry?
Emerging AI has taken over CCTV. Like CCTV used to be a very post-mortem device. The CCTV, usually the incident happened and then the CCTV footage is seen but now it is very different. AI is instilled in the CCTV, it has become a preemptive device. So facial recognition software comes in CCTV. In case a person who is a suspect, he is coming in front of the CCTV, it can detect and send an alert. So at Sparsh, because we are Indian manufacturer company, so we do a lot of innovations as well. We have made a handheld CCTV which is mobile. So it can be given as a torch, it comes. So it can be given to police station, all the policemen that are there at the traffic signals, and there are about 10,000 face libraries that can be installed over there. And if anyone with that face comes in front of the CCTV, then it will give you a vibration alert. The person in front of you won't know that he has been detected, but you will know that he is the person. So the kind of technology that is going on in CCTV now is vast. There's so many things, manufacturing 4.0, like it has become a necessity right now. From utility, it has become a necessity now.
So thank you for your time, ma'am. Any advice for students who are pursuing a marketing career and communication?
I think you do a lot of live projects. You do a lot of case studies. When case studies are given, to thoroughly analyze the case studies. And the live projects that are given by Illuminatis or the faculties or anyone who gives you, industry people, if they give you live projects, then give your 100% to it. You might come up with some fresh idea which, because of the blinders that we have sometime in corporates, we are not able to see. So that would be good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.